Hello friends, welcome to Developers Tube channel. My name is Ismail Saudagar and today in this video I will explain you about generics in C Sharp, T representing the data type in it. At the time of creating the object of the class, T is replaced with the actual data type. Collections. Generic types perform better than normal types in Visual Studio. So here I will go to my Visual Studio. In the Visual Studio you can see that I have created a project. Name of the project is generics in C sharp. I will do like this zero here. So it is giving error because here in the line number 23, I have created one get. You have also seen the practice. Hello friends, welcome to Developers Tube channel. My name is Ismail Saudagar and today in this video, I will explain you about generics in C sharp. I hope that you people are doing well. So let us go to our topic. Generic is a class which allows the user to define classes and methods with the placeholder. Here, placeholders are angle brackets that has T representing the data type in it. At the time of creating the object of the class, T is replaced with the actual data type. Generics allows the user to use the same method and classes with different data types. So here placeholder is a symbol where we can specify the incoming data type. By using generics, we can create the classes, method, and interface that takes data type as parameter when instantiating them. Generics were added in C Sharp 2.0. The example of generics in .NET is generic collections, which we have seen in our previous lecture. To address the type safety issue, the .NET framework provides generics to create classes, structures, interfaces, and methods that have placeholder for the types they use. Generics are commonly used to create type-safe collections for both reference and value types. The .NET framework provides an extensive set of interfaces and classes in the system.collections.generic namespace for implementing generic collections. Generic types perform better than normal system types, because they reduce the need for boxing, unboxing, and typecasting the variables or objects. Typecasting or boxing and unboxing we have seen already, but here I will tell you that boxing means conversion of any other type like integer, float, or string into the form of object, and unboxing means from the object type to, and unboxing means converting the particular object type to again the string, integer, float, or any other variable in which we want the output. So this is the extra overhead of boxing and unboxing when we use non-generic types. Typecasting means conversion of one data type into another data type. Now we'll see the practical example of generics in Visual Studio. So here I will go to my Visual Studio. In the Visual Studio, you can see that I have created a project. Name of the project is generics in C sharp. This is the console application, and in my project I have one class. Name of the class is program.cs. This program.cs class contains the main method, which is the entry point of the application. Means from here the application or program starts. In this project I have also added one class. Name of the class is generic addition. So this is my generic class, and you can see that here it is. Here I have specified the placeholder for this generics addition class. This placeholder is angle brackets, and in it there is a T. T represents the incoming data type, the data type of the generic addition class. So because of this generic functionality, we are able to specify the data type or placeholder for the data type. Here I am having the method addition, and it takes two parameters, first parameter and second param, and these both parameters are of type T, means it is generic type. T represent the generic type. This is not here defined It will come when we create the object or when we instantiate this generic addition and when we call this method addition. So the type which I will provide here will be the type of these two parameters. And this addition method is going to return a data which is of type T, means which is decided at runtime what data type will be returned. So here I have specified T. So T is also representing the runtime data type. And in the code I have used param addition equal to first param plus second param, and I have used here dynamic keyword. So means that the data type, the return data type of this param addition will be decided when these two is added. So suppose I will pass integer here, integer here at the time of creation of the object of this generic addition, then the data type will become, this return type will become here also integer, and the data type of the parameter first param and second param will become integer. So here I am adding first param plus second parameter, addition of integer will return integer. So here it will be assigned to this param addition, and I have used here dynamic because it gives me compile time error, because this is because you can see that operator plus cannot be applied to operands of type T. So I cannot use plus symbol, means add a plus operator, addition operator with first param and second param, because at compile time the compiler does not know the type of the incoming parameter. So it is giving error, means we are trying to add two, maybe the two numbers or some, suppose here any other data type like suppose I passed bool, so addition of bool does not happen. So this does not know the type of the return type of this param addition. So that's why it is giving compile time error. When I specify dynamic, dynamic here as a return type of this, so you know that dynamic keyword, the data type of this variable means the addition first name plus second name will be decided at runtime. So at compile time it will not give any error. So you can see that the red line has been removed from here. Similarly here also I specify dynamic, means the return type, means the data type of this param addition will be decided at runtime. So this is the way we can define and use the generic method and generic class. Now I will run this program and we will see what happens here. So first I will show you what I have done in the program.cs file. So here in program.cs I am creating the object of generic addition class, and here I have specified integer, means this integer data type will go to this generic addition class and t will be replaced by integer. It means that the data type of all the here parameter and method where I have specified t will be replaced by integer. So this is the, in the placeholder I have provided int, which is integer data type. Now I have given the object name as generic addition of this generic addition class, and I'm creating the object as we generally create by using the new keyword. Now after that I am trying to call, now I have given here integer data type. On this generic addition I am calling addition method, and this addition method when I go here it also takes the, when I pass here t as integer, means it will take two integer values. So 10 and 20 I have passed and it is not giving any error. And what will happen when I go to here in addition, it will add first param plus second parameter, means 10 plus 20, 10 plus 20 equal to 30 will come in param addition. Now in the next method what I have done here, I have passed string and I have passed Ismail and Saudagar. So I want to take as a full name, means concatenation of this string will happen. So when I send here string, so the data type of this generic addition will become string. So here it is not giving any error because it is taking string to string parameters. So that's why no error I am getting when I will do like this 0 here. So it is giving error because it is showing cannot convert from into string, means the data type of your addition become of this param1 become string. So it is of type string. So I have to give here string. So now there is no error. Means the same method I am using the same method with two different data types. Means it is increasing the reusability of this addition method and this generic addition class. In the next here, in the line number 23, I have created one get decimal addition object and I am providing double as a data type. So this T will be replaced here by double data type, means double. So it will tell the compiler that this parameter will also have the type double, and second param will be double here, which I have passed here. So now what I am doing here, I am passing double values 40.20 and 21.20. So it will add these two and it will return our result into decimal addition, and here I have printed this. So we have seen that because of this, because of generics, the usability of code has been increased, and also it improves the performance because unboxing and boxing is not required. Means conversion of one data type and at the time of retrieving it, converting into in another data type. So it impacts the performance of the application. So that I have removed from here. So this is the advantage of generic. Now I will run this program and we'll see that what will happen. First, yeah. Now here you can see that it is printing addition of integer is 30. Now, next time I have passed Ismail and Saudagar. You can see that it is printing full name is here it is in my console. Here in my Visual Studio, I'm writing full name is, and then the full return full name will come Ismail Saudagar. So here on the screen, you can see that it is printing addition of decimal is 60.3. So this is as expected, means the same method is working for three different types of data type, and it is increasing the reusability and also the performance of the application. So today we have gone through introduction to generics, and in that we have seen that what is generics, how to create a generic type, what are the advantages of the generics in C sharp, and after that, we have also seen the practical example in Visual Studio and also seen the output of our program. My next topic will be link you in C sharp.net, which is very important and helpful topic. And here also I have mentioned the playlist link, and which is also present in the description. So go to the playlist link and watch the related C sharp videos. And I want to say that please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and bye.